Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drift a Volkswagen Jetta, only way. Begin by selecting a safe, legal practice area and set tire pressures slightly lower on the rear. Familiarize yourself with throttle, clutch release, and steering inputs before attempting a controlled slide. Warm up the car, brakes, and tires before pushing limits and fine-tune steering sensitivity for smoother countersteer. Practice clutch kick and power over techniques at low speed, build trust in how the Jetta reacts, and progress gradually to longer, controlled drifts while maintaining steady throttle and measured steering corrections. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your garage and gear area clean with voice control and efficient mapping. A smart little helper for car people who hate sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on timing. Initiate with a clutch kick or weight shift, then immediately countersteer and modulate throttle to hold the drift. Use short, progressive runs to learn how the Jetta transitions between grip and slip, and always prioritize smooth inputs over aggressive jerks to avoid spins or wheel lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.